Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm gonna be actually installing this. I know you guys are probably cutting my head off. I got a new package. It's right behind me, yes. I'm gonna be installing this. Is actually a Megan, however you want to call it, strut bar for the IS. So I'm gonna unpack it and see me installing it and how to install it. So let's get to unpacking it now. So let's get this thing. Let's get this thing rolling. I got a text message. Ooh. Father. Okay, I got a little current out there for a second. Megan. You guys are probably gonna roast me in the comment section. I'm probably saying it wrong. Not even in the middle. Yo. I don't even have my knife. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, it's black though. Oh, I thought it was gonna come blue. The picture said showed blue. So I'm kind of sad. That's black, but whatever. I mean, I can paint the base. Not that hard. This is coming off. Come on, tape. Is there clear on top of the bar? There's a clear on the bar. Okay, I did not know that. See, it's a good thing I just saw the clear. Because knowing me, I would have probably put it... How did I not notice that? Okay, that's not focusing, but it's some plastic there. Yeah, as you see, it's like a gunmetal. Doesn't look bad. I might install it with the gunmetal. Or I might paint it blue. Who knows? Yeet.
Yo, alright guys, what is going on? It is the next day from that last clip you guys probably saw me of unboxing the box, which I have set up right there. That's where the box is right now. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna be actually installing the strut bar right now. So let's get to it. First I gotta open my hood, which is just, it's open. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab my tools and I'm gonna set everything up and we'll get back. Alright guys, so hood is unlocked. Strut bar is out. I still have like, whoops. Still have like that, like the corner is still wrapped up, just so it doesn't get damaged. And I got my tool bag. So yeah guys, let's get to this install. Alright guys, so the easiest way that I see about doing this whole strut bar thing is actually taking off the mounts and just installing the mounts first. You will need a 12mm socket, a deep socket, so you could get the bolts for the strut off. Let's get to that first. Let's tighten it. You will also have to relocate this. Probably just, yeah, you're just gonna have to kind of relocate that. Alright guys, so there is a problem. I did some Googling, as you see my phone's on top of my motor. I did some Googling and apparently when they package these strut bars, they package them backwards. So this side is actually supposed to be on that side and that side's supposed to be on this side. So, for some odd reason they do that like that, for some weird packaging problem type of stuff. So, I'm going to switch them around and I'll get back to you now. Now guys, you do got to remember, when you are doing this, please tighten up your strut nuts, or bolts, tightly, because it is a really important part of the components on your motor. So, I mean not motor, but your suspension. So you do got to tighten it down tightly. You got to eat that boy out there. To the other side. Now this side is a lot easier. It's literally pop. Where'd I put that thing? You do again have to remove this and kind of like ghetto rig it somewhere, because it used to connect to a bolt here and the bolt for the strut right back there. But now I might just do it like this. No. Connect it sideways. No, I don't want the wires to actually hook up like that. I might just connect it on the bottom like that. Depends on how the strut goes. So this I might actually hold off on for now. But yep, put those bolts in. Make sure it's straight. The only annoying part on this side is this thing right here. That's the only annoying part. But you don't need to move anything around like you did for the fuse box over there.
Alright. Tighten everything down. Cool. Let's get the bar now. Alright, we finally got the bar. Make sure it goes there perfectly. Kind of set it there. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. I'll show you guys how it looks completely later. But yeah, long ass Allen washer. Goes through one side, out the other if I can find the hole. Then it's gonna be washer, split washer, and then the regular nut. Tighten it up. I'm gonna tighten that better later. I'm just like finger tightening it pretty much. But I am also thinking of where to put this. Alright, I'm just gonna pretty much, you'll go right there, buddy. I'm gonna put this in quickly. Come on. So yeah, you could kind of like not let it sit, but actually, no, it's gonna cook if I do that. So yeah, just pretty much, you could literally not tighten up the top, put anything on the top, and just do the bottom. Tighten it up. That's a 10mm. I'll do that later, but yeah, it'll pretty much sit a little twisted. It's gonna rest against the strut bar, but it's fine. Make sure that's all tight. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little break because it's hot out there. Okay, I need water. Let me get water and then I'll get back to you guys. Better. And well, there you go. Megan's strut bar, or Megan, whatever you want to call it, strut bar installed. Let me take the box. Take a step back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks so nice. I do want to check though, because I know a lot of people say that these hit the hood, so let me check that quickly. Don't mind my little ghetto rig thing up here with its zip ties. Nope, it clocked. Oh, where are my keys? Car is unlocked. So I felt my keys out of my other pocket. We are, yeah, it might have been. We're good actually. Like that would touch. Yeah, that would touch right there. Go like this. It's installed. Oh god. Alright guys, I am super zoomed in on my face. And I'm probably out of focus. And my whole camera jumble is weird. Give me a sec. Oh god, I got sweat in my eyes. But alright guys, I'm gonna be ending the clip here. Am I out of focus? There we go. I'm in focus now. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. And until next time, peace out.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say